Learn English with your Instill.
Hey, have we met before?
I don't think we have.
But I think I have seen you somewhere.
It may be, but I can't recall.
What is your name?
My name is Harold. What is your name?
My name is Kimberly.
I love talking to you.
Same here, thanks. Do you live in Texas?
Yes, but how do you know?
I think we met in college.
Yup, we met in college.
What do you do?
I am a businessman now.
Good to hear that.
Thanks a lot.
Do you like dancing?
I enjoy it. Do you?
Definitely. Let's dance later.
For sure.
What kind of music do you like?
I'm into pop and a bit of rock. You?
I love indie music.
Cool. Have you heard of the Lumineers?
Yes, I love their songs.
Me too. Do you play any instruments?
I play the guitar.
That's awesome. I dabble with the drums.
Nice. We should jam sometime.
I'd love that. What do you do for fun?
I like hiking and exploring new places.
Sounds fun. I enjoy biking.
Do you have a favorite trail?
Yes, there's a great one near the lake.
I've been there, it's beautiful.
Right, perfect for a weekend trip.
What's your favorite movie?
I love Inception. You?
I'm a big fan of The Notebook.
A classic. Do you watch a lot of movies?
I try to catch up on weekends.
Same here. Any recent favorites?
I just saw a great thriller last week.
Nice. I'm more into comedies.
Comedies are great for a good laugh.
Absolutely.
Do you have any pets?
Yeah, I have a dog. How about you?
I have a cat named Whiskers.
Cute name. What breed is he?
He's a tabby.
Adorable. Dogs are so loyal.
True. What's your dog's name?
His name is Max.
Nice. How old is he?
He's 3 years old.
So playful.
He sure is. What's your favorite season?
I love autumn.
Same. The colors are beautiful.
Do you enjoy pumpkin spice everything?
Only the lattes.
I'm all about pumpkin pie.
That's delicious. Do you bake?
Sometimes, but I'm not a pro.
I can't bake at all.
It's okay, it's not for everyone.
True.
Do you play video games?
I love them. What about you?
I play a little.
What's your favorite game?
I enjoy Animal Crossing.
Fun choice. I'm into action games.
Nice. Any favorites?
I love Call of Duty.
That's popular. Do you play online?
Yep, it's more fun with friends.
I bet. Do you travel often?
I try to. I love visiting new cities.
Me too. Where have you been?
I went to Italy last summer.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Thanks for watching. Do like the video, share this to your friend, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.